Alright, and you can see right now the video has been generated. The people are trying to save the cat, finding ways, discussing options, and so on. So you can go ahead also and download this one. Alright, it's just been downloaded. So let's go to the last one, which is going to be this. So let's add the image and this one. Alright. And then let's go back to ChatGPT and just copy the last prompt. Okay, the firefighter finally rescued the cat. So let's put in and let's testing, and then we can have the video generated. And you can see so fast the video has just been generated and the cat has finally been rescued. Okay, you can see it's been rescued. So you can go ahead and download this one as well. And then on the final stage is going to be with CapCut as usual. We create a new project, and then we, of course, going to import in all the media that we have from our downloads. You can see all the videos, video 1, video 2, and then we have video 3. Okay, so we import all the videos, and the next thing is we're going to generate a voiceover. Sorry, we've forgotten to generate a voiceover. We can bring in the videos down, okay? So, but we have to rearrange them to make sure that they got it right. So this is scene 1. This is scene 2, and this is scene 3, okay? Okay, so this is scene 3. So this is scene 2, and this is scene 3. All right, so everything is set. So let's go back and generate the voiceover. So for this, we're going to use one of my free tools called 11 Labs. You can try it if you're interested. You can try 11 Labs. Okay, so we can hit on 11 Labs. You can go ahead and give it a try. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description also. You can join and just try. So you're just going to do text-to-speech. So go back to the same ChatGPT. We go to the origin of the story. Now we can pick in the scenes. This is scene 1. Let's go back and come over here. And then we can test in our scene 1. And then we can give a space and give the scene 2. That meows louder. Stuck on the rooftop of the car builder. The wind howls, and the red. So this is scene 2, cast in, and then we can have scene 3 as well. All right, and you can go on and on to the number of scenes that you have. How's Malby? Stuck on the. All right, so we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and then we can select the different readers from here. Okay, you can select from the available different readers that you have here. So let's go with them. And then we can play around with this speed, stability, similarity. I keep everything at default, and then we can just go ahead and generate this. The wind howls. All right, so looks that once you can hear the preview and everything is as we planned, you can just go ahead and download this. We can see October has just been downloading. All right, so let's go to import. Okay, let's select this, and then we can bring it in. And then we can import it into our timer. Right, depending, you can try to remove the spaces in between by just selecting and doing Ctrl B, and then you can select and drag. We can enable this, and then we can drag to cut the spaces. You can cut down the spaces. Can cut down the spaces and join. And then where necessary, you can increase or extend the length of the video so that you can match up with what you have at the background. Okay, so the next thing is let's have a background music, which we are going to create using a very simple and free AI tool also, which is called Suno AI. So let's say we've been to suno.ai, suno.com, and then we generate the background music from here. It's very easy. You can just put in the background music. You can put in the prompt to generate the background music. Or you can still come back to ChatGPT and ask it to give me give me a prompt to give to Suno AI to generate the background music for the story. So you can hit on enter, and this is going to generate the prompt that you can just use to generate the background music that you're going to mute, and it's completely free of charge, free of copyright and so on. So let's just copy the prompt as it comes. Let's go to Suno and let's paste it here, and let's go ahead and see generate. And let's give some seconds once to us generated. Then we can just download and add to our video, and then everything is ready. Okay, so let's play to have a preview. Lyricist, not a compose, so I can't breathe and now capture. So you can use this one, or you can use the second one. Lyricist. Alright, and you can see in each case you have the picture of the image of the cat being saved, so you can download if you're interested, and just click on these three dots, come to download, adjust ABMP3 version. Alright, so it has been downloaded as you can see from here. So let's go back to CapCut, and then let's import the same background music, which we import, and then we can add it directly, this one, and then we add it. Alright, so we can import it also. But then we create a cut from here, because this signifies the end of it. We can delete, and then we can add in some fade in and fade out, so the music dies out. This is a fade in, and then we can have a fade out as well. So you can see it from here, right? And then you can reduce the volume a little bit, right? So you can decide to play it. A weird little cat meows loudly. Stuck on the rooftop of a tall building, wind howls, and the cat looks down roofs. A young firefighter, Alex, spots the cat from below and quickly grabs a ladder. A small crowd gathers, watching anxiously. When this is the fact, so everything is intact, you can just go ahead and come to export, and you can just specify the name and the destination where you want to save it, and then you can have your images or your video created directly. So let's go on. Let me choose a destination. Alright, so let's go on, choose here, and then open, and then we can just go ahead and say export. Our video is ready. So I'm going to play this at the end of this tutorial. So I think this concludes this very basic, simple tutorial about how to generate videos using a number of tools, from the ChatGPT that we know, to Leonardo AI, where we generated the story, to Leonardo AI, where we generated the images and the characters consistently, and then down to Pixverse, where we generate the videos, and then using another tool, which is called CapCut, to harmonize everything and create a simple video out of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.